So the adjuster just came over. The adjuster for USA finally came 2 weeks later, almost 2 weeks later. And great guy, really good guy. He knows all about tiny homes and things like that. So he instantly could tell, like, this is wrong and that's wrong, and lots of hail damage, water damage, sandstorm damage. So he's gonna write it up so that, you know, we get our stuff fixed, or what do you call it, replaced. So that's that. I mean, that's the outside part. And, you know, I feel really bad about that part because it should never have been left here. And thanks to COVID, I couldn't come get it, type thing. But the inside part, the heartbreaking part, maybe I'll have time to edit this footage and, like, show you the inside part of what these thugs did to the inside of my camper. But they broke in, they crapped in the toilet that you guys know that we don't crap in. We just use it for urine, and it was completely clean. I mean, that place is spotless. I showed you guys in the video when we left. It was just completely like a tornado went through there. And they left the windows open, the vents open, so the rain came in, sandstorm came in, and damaged the vinyl. Anywhere that the sand and water touched, it damaged the vinyl. So it all has to be stripped out and redone. And he showed me some other damage that I didn't notice that the kids did. Just a bunch of stuff. It's just that part, you know, could have been avoided, and that part's the heartbreaking part. For some reason, they smeared their poop all over the rugs. I don't even understand that. It looks like he said maybe they were afraid they were getting caught, so they were trying to hide, and they broke the closet inside. They cracked it. There's a lot of damage that just didn't need to be done. They were in the bed, and I don't know what that means. Like, what were they doing in the bed? Because we stripped the bed and left it clean, and there were sheets up there now, and underwear. So right now it's Friday evening, and I'm gonna run to Walmart, get a couple cleaning things, and get some rugs for inside there, and get it cleaned up enough so that we can drive it. And then I have to fix the siding temporarily to get it home, because we can't leave it here anymore. It's just gonna get more damaged, and the lock to the door is broken, so we can't even lock it up.
If we leave it here, somebody might just steal the whole thing.
All right.
Good Lord.
And like I was talking to the guy, we only insured it for a certain amount. It's worth way more than we insured it for, so it would just...
Look at Kipper.
Am I getting him on footage?
He's right here.
What are you doing, Nat? What are you doing, boy?
It's funny.
Anyways, I may or may not show you right away what I'm doing to fix it. I just may make a separate video of that, but I wanted to give you guys an update of what was going on and how heartbreaking this is. But I don't know what we're gonna do. It's gonna cost a lot of money to fix it. I hope they give me a lot of money, but I also know that I need money to rent someplace to store it and work on it, because I can't leave it outside like this. Obviously, it's going to keep getting worse. So, pray for us. Pray that we can find a place, and that we can, in Missouri, because we're taking it back to Missouri. So, pray for our travels. Pray that it does fine all the way out there. It's been sitting there in all those storms, and now we have to drive it somewhere. So, pray that it's safe, that we're safe, and pray that we have a place to put it when we get to our townhouse in Missouri. All right, guys, I'll hook up with you guys in a minute. All right, bye. Been cleaning for 4.5 hours. I went to Walmart and got some new rugs, and when we stripped that whole thing out, I Cloroxed the floors, then we vacuumed first, and then Cloroxed the floors and Swiffered the floors. and we've just been scrubbing everything, trying to get rid of the sand and dirt and dust. It took about, 45 minutes to an hour to, ooh, the lights went off. 45 minutes to an hour to get the whole, all the trash picked up out of it and everything. Anyways, I'll give you an update in a minute. They put these rugs in, and I'll show you what we're doing. All I got there, keep running. Yeah, it's still running cold right now. We were told that it was damaged in the hailstorm too, so the adjuster got up on the roof. Said your roof looks great. Just got some damage to like the air conditioner and the solar light and things like that. But so it's 11 o'clock now. We just finished cleaning, putting stuff away, scrubbed it, vacuumed it, disinfected it. Still some more stuff to do, like clean around the windows, but I have to take the windows out anyways to put the new siding on for the hail damage, so I'm not too worried about the windows being dirty right now. What else? You exhausted?
Mm-hmm.
But it's looking good in here. We pulled out all the loose vinyl too. You can see it in the back, pulled out. And there's the damaged ones over there pulled out as well. They even stole our nice magnets that we've been collecting from all the campgrounds. Oh, I did add this tonight. So we now have a fire extinguisher right there in the kitchen area. Look how pretty this looks.
Mm-hmm.
Kipper's back here, already asleep on the pillows. So for now, we vacuumed the mattress. We put a, what's it called? What's that thing called, babe?
Memory foam?
On top, underneath that. Mattress cover.
Mattress cover. Yeah.
Mattress cover. We put the mattress cover and then a memory foam, like an 1.5 inch memory foam on top of it. Just to protect the whatever gunk was on the mattress, the dust from the sandstorm. So it didn't get up into when we were breathing. So Kipper says it's super comfortable. So does the cat. The cat's back there too somewhere. But you can see I got a lot of work to do in here. For now, we're going to get it home and I'm going to work on the outside. And then once that's stable and finished, I'll work on the inside. So really glad we're keeping the camper, that they didn't say it was totaled. He actually said the way I built it actually preserved it from any more damage from the storm and the flood. So thank God for that. And you guys tell me I overbuild things, but actually it helped. So I'll go through some of the other stuff too, like some good ideas that I've had. What's that stuff called? It's like a flashing, but it's sticky and it's made out of tar with foil on one side. I believe it's for sealing the roof and the chimneys and things like that. I'll show it to you, but I sealed the whole bottom of the trailer with that, and that's what stopped the floodwaters from getting in, rotting underneath the camper. So I'm really glad it did that. There's some other tips and tricks I can show you too that saved it from the damage. But I'll talk about some other things too when I show you the hail damage outside. Learn from my lessons, learn from my mistakes. And all right, guys, hope to post this tonight. I'm really tired though, but I'll try to post these videos tonight, let you know what's going on. I love you all. Be good to each other. Talk to you soon. Can I say goodbye, hon? No.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, she says.